What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Fish Hook YouTube channel. We got another fun video today. Me and Dad kind of made a last second decision to go to this spot where we thought we could catch some fish, and we had some fun. If you don't mind hitting the like and subscribe button, that'll help us out so much. When we hit 600 subs, we're going to do another giveaway, so stay tuned for that. We're getting pretty close to 600, so y'all hit that subscribe button. It'll help us out so much. But we just hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned.
All right, here we go. Made it over here. Get back here. There he is. There he is. Yes, sir. All right. Okay.
And that's all I need to see.
All right.
And that's all I need to see.
Come there, boy. It's a decent crappie. Off the old tree. Starting to rain. All right, there he is, guys. Crappie number one. We're gonna try to get some off the tree. Right when it's raining, it's starting to get dark. You can't see your line. There he is. There he is. Yes, sir. Number two.
Nice.
About the same size, too. There he is, guys. Number two. About the same size as that last one. Let him go. All them crappie gotta go somewhere, don't they? There you go, rain. There he is. Oh, oh, good one. Good one. I'm talking good. I'm talking goodness.
Oh, nice.
Goodness. That's a hoss, boy. There's your slab.
Wait, show that off.
Getting dark, but we're staying on him. Look at him. There he is.
Nice.
That's a nice fish all day long. Look, you see about, he's out there. They're like right out over in there. There's a stick like right there, but they're kind of, there may be more sticks out there. You may get hung up, but just working it back slow. Get you that right there, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Evening crappie fishing. Slab. Here, go ahead.
Out there in the middle, you said?
Well, like I've been catching them like right out in there. I don't know why. They're following it back or what. Yeah, I don't know. I might have to. Yeah, work it back slow. See if you can get one. Pop it. Got him? Got him?
That's something good.
Oh my goodness. No, that's not a crappie.
That's not a crappie.
That's not a crappie. Loosen your drag a little bit.
I think that's a chain pickerel.
Probably is. Probably is. It's not coming up.
Oh yeah, I feel like grinding on the braid.
You want to manhandle him up in here. Where's he at? Is he hung up?
Oh, yeah.
Let him, give him slack. See if he'll swim out of it. Did he swim out of it?
Swim out of it.
What is that thing? That's a chain. That's gotta be a chain pickerel. What am I looking at? What are we looking at?
I think it might be a bass.
It actually swims like a bass. It's a bass. Get him over here. Get him down here. Get him down here by the bank. Get him down here by the bank. Get him down here by the bank.
Wait, there he is.
Oh God, I'm falling in. Oh, I got him. I got him. I got him.
You got him?
I got him. Oh. I got him.
Let's go, dude. Oh my, dude, he took me for a ride. He took me
I almost fell. I almost fell in.
That is such a nice fish.
On that little
Crappie
jig.
Look at the jig. It's a largie.
Oh my goodness.
That's that's probably like a 2.5 pound largie
Look at me.
on a crappie jig.
I almost fell in.
Dad went all in on it.
Man, he's like 17, 18
I was
inches.
like, boy, this ain't no crappie, boy.
Man.
That's only like a crappie. You see, we've been fishing for bass all night. And it's like you switch to crappie fishing and you finally catch a
That's
nice.
so stupid.
And it's like, we've been fishing stuff like that tree
Oh my goodness.
all day long. And you're like, one of these trees got to be good for a fish like this.
He was
What a
just
fish.
in there with the crappie.
Oh, what a fun catch.
That was crazy. I didn't know what it was. It would not come up.
This tree is holding center in the fish.
He didn't even bounce it. I just saw your rod go shoo.
Dude,
I was like, what?
I mean, because last time we did this, you caught a chain pickerel.
Yeah.
A couple chain pickerel on crappie jig. He fought so hard.
First time I saw him, though, I was like, I don't think that's a chain pickerel.
He fought so hard, yeah. I can't even. It's a big bass for a big one.
Mm-hmm. Got him on. So I'm afraid of it now. Yeah, that was impressive for that spot, honestly. I didn't expect something that big to come out of there.
Oh, bad.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, yeah.
Little guy, little guy. Oh my goodness. Come on. Little guy.
That's crappie number 4?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's 4.
Yeah, he just swiped at it. There he is, guys, number 4. Little guy.
Yeah, the tree.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're right there.
Wow.
Right there, guys. I think that's number 5, little guy. Probably a big one up under it. Oh. I don't know if that was a bite or that imagining thing. I can't believe they're not right down the side of this tree, honestly.
Yeah, I know.
There he is. There he is. Make it happen there. Another little crappie, guys. Catching crappie. Love fishing for crappie. Nothing like that little thump. There you go. That's a little one. Little guy. Another little guy. Right there, guys. They break off? Yeah, I about can't see it now, so I know I'm gonna hit it.